Hey guys, welcome back. If you have not checked out the previous episode, check this video up here. Now you finished this delicious spreadable cheese. Serve it to your family and friends and they love it. And as they keep on eating, oh, there's just too much cheese, like I can't take it anymore. What are you gonna do with whatever that's left over? Trust me, this cheese can be used in a lot of different ways as follows. Yeah, but on a special occasion, you can use this in actual cooking. Today we are going to cover two different recipes. Watch the video till the end and then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. First, we're going to prepare some roasted cherry tomato. Put some olive oil on top and then season it with salt and put it in the oven. Cut the side of the croissant, but don't cut it all the way to the end. Just make a pocket shape. And then plant some butter bomb inside the pocket and put it inside the oven until they're all melted. Let's make the classic scrambled egg. Whisk the eggs, add butter and some heavy cream, and then cook it on low heat. Once the bottom of the pan starts grabbing the eggs, turn off the heat and then cook with residual heat. Separate the smoked salmon layers and put some fresh black pepper on it. Okay, the croissant is done. And then we're going to put salmon inside. And some scrambled eggs. And then you put in your delicious spreadable cheese. Here's your awesome breakfast sandwich. Oil the potatoes until tender and cut onion, carrot, celery into small dices. I just used fully cooked and brined lobster claw meat and cut them into about medium-sized dice. This is mayo with some lemon juice. Add a tablespoon of white miso and a tablespoon of mirin. All the miso products have different sodium content, so for this one I tasted first and then added 1 more tablespoon of miso. And then added 1 tablespoon of honey. And then whisk until they're fully mixed. Okay, the potatoes are cooked. Then we're going to punch these through the wire rack. Be careful, this is very hot. I'm actually wearing 2 gloves. And then to the hot potato, you add your delicious homemade spreadable cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and then mix. After cooling it down a little bit, add carrots, onions, and celery. Then add your miso mayo. And add the lobster chunks at the end. Gently mix it and don't break the chunks for the texture. Honestly, this is the best potato salad I've eaten in my whole life. That's it guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.